Hey, before we get today's video started, I got to show you our room for last night. It's pretty throwback, pretty crazy. So, enjoy.
It's alright.
Look at.
I mean, our first one was. Hey, why would the end where it's at?
Ma.
This is like.
Man, what's this?
That's alright.
This room though. Take them headboards out.
The beds are nice.
Oh, let's see. Turn it on.
Where's the soap?
Turn it on.
Where's the soap at? There ain't no soap.
There's got a little thing of soap.
I need shampoo.
You got a little thing of shampoo.
No,
You got some shampoo. You got that.
That's a bro.
I like it. All right, leave the shower alone. Hey, talk about some throwback. Check this out.
That thing's like a jet missile.
Huh? Like it's gonna take your skin off?
You wanna see?
Yeah. God dog! God! Take that skin off, son. Well, you can be skint when you get out that shower.
You could have done
Oh, that made it better. I made it better. I love that accent wall. Hey. It's an adventure. Got the daily cold start. So we got up early, you know, took a shower, trimmed up the beard. Cooper got all clean and fresh. And we decided we was going to eat cracker. We was going to eat a good breakfast today. So Cracker Barrel it is. But it don't open until 7. Gates open at 8. I really wanted to be there early to get a decent pit spot, but it is what it is. Got to eat. So we're going to get us some breakfast and get out of here. Get to the track. There ain't nobody here. Nobody. All right, so we're first pair down today. They already called D group up. That's us, but Junior Street runs at the beginning of D group. They're right in front of us, and we're 10th behind. So as far as our averages go, we only have one pass that go towards our average, and so we took the hood off. Speakers are out, and hey, 2-step is turned up. It's turned up. So I already checked the 2-step. We're locked in. We're ready, and we're about to head up to the lanes here. So. The flag, when she started talking about the flag, like it started waving harder. Let's go. Here we go, locked in, boys. start lining it up. It's gonna stop you. Keep going, keep going. All right, here we go. Slow down, slow down, slow down. And you're in, boss. I got your two-step. All right, go ahead and bump in. Get your first bulb. Your first bulb. All right, get your second. Get your second. Racing, boss. So Cooper pushed through the beams, so we got to go around and do it again. You got to smash them harder. Walk me through what happened.
Burnout was good. I lit my first bulb. He lit his first bulb. I lit my second bulb. I got on two-step.
What went wrong?
I rolled through the beams when I got on my two-step.
Yeah. So you wasn't smashing the brake hard enough.
Yeah.
So we're running again.
They're running again.
They're running again.
They got a 94455.
You got Spanky over there on the laptop. He's doing his thing, right? So he's trying to get his car. So what they run?
9445.
Oh yeah, that's not gonna do. So you're gonna get yours set. You want me to get the laptop? No. We don't need it. We just need that left foot to smash the brake harder. All right, well, get ready. We got a race coming up. All right.
Peace.
Oh yeah. 935. We're all running slow. Slow down and get behind him. Is the track just slow? Is it altitude?
I don't know.
Well, the lanes are closed for us, so we're gonna get our slip and go to the pits. I don't know what's going on. That was a good burnout. That was a damn good burnout. I got your two-step. That felt better. That felt better. 930. We're done. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Get behind me. So his trap speed is faster than yours, so he's gonna blow by you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I built cathedrals out of matchstick bones. Prayed to the silence when God was gone. Every halo I wore turned to rust. Ooh. Every promise of love turned to dust. Don't call me holy, don't call me pure.
That's all Baymont's got lit up. Nothing. Can't see. Super 8. Hey.